First question is the mother of all interview questions. It is tell me about yourself. Specific to RPA, the same question can be rephrased to tell me about your RPA journey. Now let's find out what is the expected answer by the interviewer from you. For your easy understanding, I have given a template to answer this question, which we will go through one by one. We're going to look at two templates. One is for the experienced professional, other one is for the fresher. Let's start with an experienced professional. The first mistake some of the experienced professionals tends to do is they start off with the earlier experience. That is, they go something like, I started my career as a trainee and then I started working in a Java project. But if you ask me, that is not required because your primary focus should all about your RPA career. The first point that you want to talk about is your total experience. So which is very important, and then followed by the relevant RPA experience that you have. The third point is going to be your current relationship with your existing employer. That is which organization that you are working and how long you have been working. The fourth point is all about your RPA tools knowledge. Just list down the tools that you have hands-on experience with and the tools that you have been trained with. Then the fifth point is a high-level summary of the number of projects or processes that you are automated, but also what type of applications that you have automated, just at a high level. Please don't give much details about your projects here because some of the candidates start explaining about their projects at this point. So that will make your introduction much lengthier, which is not expected. So your ideal time, tell me about yourself, should be only about 2 to 3 minutes. So only then the interviewer will be able to follow you. After this, highlight your roles and responsibilities handled in your RPA project. This section is very vital because here you need to project your skills that match the job description. So you can say that you are familiar with doing RPA estimation, deploying the RPA projects, and you're familiar with orchestrator and control room. So anything that you know. After this, there are a couple of lighter notes you can mention. The certifications that you have completed, it could be UiPath, Automation Anywhere, or anything. Just give a high level detail about that certification. And also, the next point is just an add on point. So, this is my personal suggestion. Just add a topic that you are interested with. For example, we are in RPA domain. So, you can say that you are interested in researching about cognitive RPA, which involves machine learning, and you're doing some POCs as well. So like this this would give you a good impression to the interviewer that it shows you that you are very keen on RPA domain and you wanted to explore more on this. So this would basically give an added advantage to you. Finally, you can highlight your other skills such as the programming languages you know or the databases you know, whatever you have worked on other than RPA. In case if you are a fresher, you should start off with your educational details because you don't have any experience yet. Second point, you can highlight about your RPA tools that you have practiced with and the tools that you have trained with. Then you can talk about the sample projects that you have done and the type of applications that you have automated so far. Also, you can list down some of the important activities that you have learned so far from your practice project. It could be something like OCR extraction, desktop automation, and etc. Then you can highlight your certification details followed by an add-on point, which we discussed in the last slide, and your exposure to the other tools apart from RPA. So now that we have learned the template of tell me about yourself, let's look up sample answer using the template. So let's look at sample answer for an experienced developer. I am Yuvraja Kannan. I have around over 8 years of IT experience. I've been working in RPA for the last 3 years. Currently, I'm working for ABC organization for the last 2 years handling RPA projects. I have hands-on experience in UiPath and in Automation Anywhere and also trained in Blue Prism. I have automated around 8 processes which involves all types of applications such as web, desktop and mainframes. Also, I have worked on OCR extraction automations as well. My role in RPA involves understanding the business requirement and creating, modifying and enhancing workflows for the business processes models in UiPath for the given requirement. Also, I have strong knowledge in preparing process design document, solution design documents. Experienced in fetching, manipulating data from different types of sources like Excel, Word, Excel, PDF, images, databases. I have also involved in deploying processes in Orchestrator, creating triggers and troubleshooting. I have certification in UiPath and in Automation Anywhere. I'm interested in creating custom activities for UiPath, so my works are published in UiPath Go. Apart from RPA, I have worked in .NET Framework, Java, and SQL Server. So my suggestion is using this template. Please create your own answers based on your expertise and also practice it so it will be easy for your interviews.